Hello friends, today I am going to talk about a very rare and small homeopathic remedy used for vomiting. Normally we use epicock or Veratrum album like remedies in the cases of vomiting. But what if there isn't any nausea or there isn't any pain and all of a sudden the patient vomits? This is the unique symptom of the remedy which I am going to talk about today. The name of the remedy is Apomorphinum Hydrochloricum. It is very beautiful homeopathic remedy. Let's see its symptoms. Sudden and profuse vomiting, leaving nothing behind in the stomach, without any nausea and without any pain. There will be water in the eyes, watery eyes, and another symptom is that there will be yawning. The patient yawns during the vomiting, and between the episodes of vomiting there will be a sleepiness. Patient will stretch his body, and there will be yawning, frequent yawning, and the color of the face will be pale and tired. All these symptoms. If we talk about its causes, then most of the time there isn't any pathology we find in the patient, but the reasons may be pregnancy or drugs intoxication, seasickness, or cerebral tumors, or gastroenteritis. Another cause for the vomiting is that there will be exertion of eyes. The patient vomits due to the exertion of eyes. Water and milk. The patient cannot bear water or milk. As soon as he drinks, he will vomit it out. So these are very few symptoms. If you remember them, then you can use this remedy in the rare cases. So the name of the remedy is Apomorphinum Hydrochloricum. You can use this remedy in 12x potency in a repeated dose during the vomiting episodes, and you will see that it will give great relief to the patient. This was remedy for today. Thank you.